Hello everyone, my name is LIntang and welcome to my first travel vlog. Yay! Today, me and my friends want to have some adventure at the Labyrinth Park located in Batu. So let's go and check it out. This Labyrinth Park is actually about 51 minutes from Malang by motorcycle, and it takes about 23 kilometers away. And actually, this park is the part of Coban Rondo tourist ride. I'm really excited to go here with them. The weather is so good. Wow, look at that mysterious path. Oh my god, my friend's still taking pictures. And now I want to talking about the tickets. This is the tickets, and for this Labyrinth Park, it's actually cost only 10,000 rupees. And for all the rides here, it only costs for about 36 or 36 rupees. Wow, how cheap, isn't it? Now my friends wants to be the guide because she have ever be here before with her friend. Do you find the way to the waterfall? Really? Already find it? We haven't find it yet? Oh my god. Wow. Or we are trapped here. Oh my god, that's too bad. Oh my god, we are trapped. There is no way to go to the waterfall, to the fountain. I mean, we're trapped at the labyrinth and we haven't find the way out. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, it's really horror. Like, if we can't, I think this is the right way. Let's go. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not the right way. Oh my god. Okay guys, actually I haven't tell you the mission of this Labyrinth Park. Our mission is to find the way, the fastest way to go to the fountain. If we find the fountain, we win. But now we still didn't find it. Alfie, where are you, Alfie?
Hi.
I think we get lost, yeah. What do you feel, Aini? Are you stressed?
No.
No? You still happy, right? Guys, you know, we find something really, what is it?
Amazing.
Really amazing. We have a clue. Not a clue actually, but a hint. Alfie will climb the stairs to see the path.
Jan, help me. Careful.
Let's go. I'm going with Alfie.
I can look. Bisa dinaikin 2 orang nih.
This is the labyrinth from above. No. Please don't do that. Oh my god. I can't see anything. I need to know how to get down. That's too bad. Slowly, slowly, don't be panic. Oh my god. Hey, guess what? We already we already find the way to the fountain. Let's see the fountain. Dang, dang. Oh my god. It's not that beautiful. Just
a normal thing.
just a normal fountain. And that's the tower. Can you see that? Oh my god. So guys, here we go. You just want to say that?
Yay!
So guys, okay. Actually, we can do some activities here, right, Alfie?
Yes.
Like we can play some riddle games that spread around this park, and also we can take bunch of photo like what I need to do before, because there's so much photo spots here. And also if we get lost, we can see from the map to find the way out. That sounds really interesting, isn't it? So if you want to go here, it's better to go with your friends, and also it's okay too if you want to go with your boyfriend or girlfriend. Guys, because we already find the way to the fountain, we still celebrating it by taking lots of pictures. Lots of ally pictures.
This way or this way?
This way.
I think the right is the good one. Okay.
Okay.
I'll go with your.
Let's go, let's go. Look at that. You see? I think that's the way out. Finally, we are at the exit way. And we are so tired. So guys, this is our next destination. And we are now in Coban, Rondo. Look at that beautiful scenery. You can see it? Can you see it? I want to take some pictures. Let me take the phone. Okay, then let's go. Here we are. We arrive at Coban Rondo Waterfall. Guys, let's get closer to the waterfall. So guys, this is Coban Rondo Waterfall behind me, and as you can see, the volume of the water is very high, and I can feel the water splash on my face.
Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you about the facilities of this tourist destination. First one, they have parking area, playing room, souvenir shops, canteen or cafeteria that sells a lots of different menus that can fill your tummy. Wow! Wow, still a lot of menus. Oh, look at that, my friends. And the last one, toilets. Last but not least, I'm going to give you some tips if you want to go here. First, you have to prepare a raincoat or an umbrella because nowadays it's already rainy season. Second, it's better to use comfortable shoes like sneakers or slip-on. Don't use high heels because it's really sleepy. Third, bring some money because you're gonna hungry after play around the Labyrinth and Coban Rondo. Fourth, it's better to come here early in the morning so you can spend lots of time with friends and family. Fifth, please don't bring any food to Coban Rondo. Sixth, download or capture the map of Labyrinth Park and also Coban Rondo.
Okay guys, I think that's all for this first travel vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And LIntang and friends asked to leave. Where is my other friends? Hey guys, over there. Hi! Alfie! Hi! So, see you when we see you. Goodbye!